Okay, Shaira. Ready to run or not?
Ready to run.
Ready to run? Oh. Many people now. Thursday, but many people.
Start.
Start. 2.5 kilometers, Shaira. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, okay.
Oh, I hear.
But many people.
Yes.
Time now 10:10. 10:10 Thursday.
Thursday?
Thursday, yeah. Tomorrow Friday. Friday maybe more people.
More people tomorrow until Sunday.
Are you tired? Not? It's good.